Number one thing to keep in mind is don't try to boil the ocean, meaning that the key to adoption is to focus on key use cases. All the things I just saw or I just showed you, those are practical use cases. But day one, you're not going to come in there and know how to operate the system. And it comes back to your people being like your biggest strategic advantage, which is getting your people to understand how these AIs operate, where they're best, and where they kind of struggle. Adopt the AI gradually. So a crawl, walk, run strategy is by far the best. Start small and work your way up. Identify super users to come in and help you drive adoption. Can almost guarantee within your company, you're going to have someone who's like an AI evangelist to come in and help you actually adopt the AI and push forward with it. We've seen companies train a lot of their interns how to use the AI, and then they have an army of AI equipped interns still need to have their information reviewed by subject matter experts, but they come in and they're crushing it as far as responding to RFIs, building reports, things like that. Next one is around investing in certifications. So very, very important. We're actually launching something right now, which is we're going to offer a free certification to all of our customers. That is a combination of practical application to make sure your people are actually using it. It's a combination of webinar training series that we put on at the 101 and 201 level, and then a test that actually has you go through and answer a bunch of questions, and then certify that you have the basic understanding of AI. And then we're working with other industry partners like Lofeld Consulting, who's a big methodology provider, to actually go in there and they're going to do the level 2 certifications, which is more advanced levels of training based on best practices. So some pretty cool things there. The last two, start with low risk projects. Again, if you want to come in and have it automate an RFP for you, that, in my opinion, is pretty high risk because there's only one winner in an RFP. So it's very risky to come in there and start on a very complex must-win RFP. The best thing to do is come in and start on like sources soughts, RFIs, white papers, things like that, and then build into it over time. And the last one is it's a learning experience. There are some people that are very advanced with AI right now, but it's very much about getting together, having monthly meetings with your team, and actually having a community where you can share lessons learned, what's working, what's not working for you.